Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how to enable Google Photo synchronization on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also write comments after watching and put likes under this video. And let's get down to the topic, friends. And if you have a situation that your device does not have enough space to store, let's say, media files, then synchronization with Google Photo is a very good solution because you can store a lot of photos and videos there. And in order to enable this synchronization, you're gonna have to first open Google Photo on your iPhone, and then you'll need to click on your Google profile picture on the top right. Then at the bottom, select the option called Customize Google Photo. Now open up Backup. And the only thing you will need to do is to enable it. Once you enable this option, you will automatically start backing up all your media files that you have on your device to the Google Photo Cloud. That's how it is, friends. You can easily enable Google Photo synchronization on iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you soon.